morning to everyone, and welcome one more day to our historical section. More than 70 years ago, the Green Revolution began, and today we will take you back to the years when Norman Borlaug, the winner of the Nobel Peace Prize in 1917, began to transform the world of growing food. Refers to the alleged success of high-yielding wheat seeds developed by Borlaug and his colleagues in Mexico, in the agriculture of India and Pakistan.
Back in 1994, after the Second World War, it became clear that there were famines worldwide. This situation led governments and some scientists to rethink the way to produce food. For this reason, Norman Borlaug, the scientist chosen by the Rockefeller Foundation, started a revolution that significantly increased the productivity of the land. This revolution began because at that time it turned to be wearing two principal aspects. First, there were plenty of lands that were not productive at all, and on the other hand, the productivity of the other large lands was minimal. So, under this situation, Burlock realized that if he actually grew smaller varieties of seeds of wheat, rice, and corn with a shorter and starter stem, that could hold more grains on its head and the productivity will increase. In this process of change and adaptation of plants and seeds, the use of large amounts of water, pesticides, and fertilizers became essential.
In Mexico's case, there was evident increase in agricultural activity. For this reason, there was a further expansion of Green Revolution on the American continent. And then it approached a global scale when the process spread to the rest of the continents. As any scenarios of change and adaptations, it was requirement to have the necessary equipment and the money to provide the technology for the development of the project. For these reasons, since 1945, it began a stage when international organizations created institutions in some countries that favored the revolution in different countries of the world.
Some examples of these institutions were the International Maize and Wheat Improvement Center, which is located in Mexico, the International Rice Research, which is located in the Philippines, and the Consultative Group of International Agricultural Research that is located in France.
The Green Revolution can be related both to a geographically and historically focused process in Southeast Asia as well as to a macro process that encompasses the generality of post-war technological change in the Third World. Its definition can strictly refer to a dynamic of technical improvement of agricultural production, particularly of grain production, at the same time that it can be linked to a geopolitical strategy to contain communism in poor countries. The Green Revolution of the 60s and 70s has projected into the future the possible existence of a second green revolution related to the rise of biotechnology.